All right, let's get started. Today, we're diving into something a bit different, ice cream.
Ice cream. Okay, I'm intrigued.
Specifically, Amul Ice Malai Zero Sugar added. We've got product pics, nutritional info, and even a blog post that gets kind of philosophical.
Philosophical about ice cream. Okay.
Yeah.
So what's our goal here?
Simple, really. Let's unpack what this stuff is all about, especially that zero sugar added claim. We need to pull out the key details from everything you sent over.
Got it. Well, looking at the packaging images first, the big call-outs are definitely zero sugar added.
Right. And no added artificial sweeteners, too. That seems pretty clear.
Yeah, the sources really position this for people, watching their sugar but still wanting that creamy texture.
Exactly. And that blog post you mentioned, it calls it a game changer, a guilt-free option.
Okay, guilt-free. But let's dig into the facts. The nutritional label you provided, what does zero sugar added actually mean according to the source?
That's the key bit, isn't it? So the panel says very clearly, 0.0 grams of added sugars per 125 milliliter serving.
Zero added.
Okay, but, and this is important, the total sugars are listed as 3.9 grams for that same serving.
Ah, so there is sugar in there.
Well, yeah. The label even has a note, contains naturally occurring sugars, which, the material suggests comes from stuff like the milk itself.
Makes sense. Milk has lactose, which is a sugar. So zero extra sugar dumped in, but not zero sugar overall. That's a crucial distinction they're making.
Totally precise. What else did you notice from the nutrition facts and ingredients list?
Okay, let's see. Serving size. 125 milliliters, or about 67 grams. Energy. 158 kilocal per serving.
158, okay.
Total fat is 8.7 grams. Saturated fat is 5.2 grams. And good news, 0.0 grams of trans fat.
Always good to see zero trans fat.
Definitely. Cholesterol is 30 milligrams. Total carbs are 17.4 grams. Protein is 2.5 grams. And sodium, 35 milligrams, all straight from the label info.
Clear numbers. Now, that ingredients list, there was something specific highlighted, right? Polydextrose?
Exactly. Polydextrose is in there, and the source material explicitly points out it may have laxative effect.
Ah, okay, good to know.
Yeah, it's a common fiber, often used for texture and as a sugar replacement. Interesting that they flagged that potential effect. Transparency, maybe.
Could be.
Yeah.
It's definitely a detail worth noting for anyone trying it. So that blog post, it took the zero idea beyond just the nutritional panel, didn't it?
It really did. It got quite abstract, framing zero not just as,